Buddy Chase back with libomind.com, and in today's video I'm going to be going over the Postmates Sign Up Bonus. For all of you guys that haven't seen any of my previous videos about Postmates, definitely go check out those other videos after this one's over with, and the best way to do that is by subscribing to the channel below. That way you guys can go watch those videos about Postmates, Postmates pay, Postmates bonuses, how the pay is broken down, and all those videos after this one's over with or at a later time. Also, while you guys are at it, also click the like button. That way we can send this video out in order to help many other people out there that are looking for ways to make some money and are potentially wanting to deliver food with Postmates in order to make money. So let's jump into the video. So if you guys are thinking about signing up for Postmates, the best way to get paid by Postmates is obviously the sign up bonus. Now you guys can receive a sign up bonus just by signing up regularly through postmates.com, or you guys can get an even better bonus by using someone else's referral link. And if you guys haven't found someone else's referral link to use or to help them out, as well as to help yourself out and make more money, you guys can go ahead and use my referral code in the description below. It's a link and it should be at the very top for you guys if you guys are wanting to make some extra money for the sign up bonus. Now, in order to receive the Postmates sign up bonus, it's pretty straightforward. All you really have to do is just like sign on and then complete a certain amount of deliveries within a specified amount of time. And usually that specified amount of time is 30 days, but the set amount of deliveries that you have to complete definitely ranges in number depending on what city and state you're from. So I've seen people get sign up bonuses from like 20 deliveries within 30 days, which is really easy, and people that have to complete like over 125 deliveries within the same amount of time in 30 days. The main reason why it's higher in some areas for the deliveries compared to others is mainly just because of the city and state. So based on pretty much the city and state you live in will vary and determine your guys' amount of deliveries that you have to complete in order to get your sign up bonus. This is because Postmates pretty much kind of calculates how many people they need to like sign up, and then if they have like a lot of people already signed up in that area, that means they don't have to really give out a bonus to a lot of people just for, you know, completing 20 deliveries. Whereas like some small towns might need a lot more Postmates drivers, and they're willing to pretty much give out sign up bonuses like faster for a lesser amount of deliveries. So that's kind of what breaks down the Postmates sign up bonus. Now, if you guys have any questions about the sign up bonus, feel free to comment them below, and I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as possible. That way you guys can be satisfied and hopefully sign up and start making some money. So in the meantime, when you're completing those X amount of deliveries for your sign up bonus, you will still be getting paid from Postmates by completing whatever deliveries you make. And then you'll also get any tips that the customer that you're delivering to makes towards Postmates. So if they tip you like $5, you'll receive that $5 tip on the back end, maybe a few days later, tops, but usually it's pretty fast if they tipped in advance. If they don't tip until like a few days later, well then that's why it would take a little longer to receive that tip. Now, some other bonuses that Postmates offers throughout the year that is specifically outside of the sign up bonus period, outside that 30 days, is like peak time hours, where they pretty much give out maybe like $5, $10, $20 and up like bonuses, just because they need a lot more Postmates drivers in that area within that specific time frame during the day. So for instance, they may give out like for example, they might throw out like a $50 bonus for completing like 5 to 10 deliveries within this specific amount of time during the day, like from like 5 to 7, for instance. Or it might be that within across a couple of days. So overall, there's a lot of potential to make a lot of extra money through Postmates, And as long as you guys have a reliable car that's good on gas mileage and are tracking your miles, that'll definitely help out in making the most out of Postmates and keeping more of the money that you earn from Postmates. Now, peak hours are pretty much times of the day when it's the busiest, and peak hours are from like lunch period and the dinner period. And sometimes they'll give out extra money for pretty much delivering during that time, and that's pretty much the time you can expect to get paid the most money via Postmates and are able to accept the most amount of deliveries. Whereas like between times 2 to like 4, for instance, might not get you a lot of deliveries, and you may not make as much money compared to those peak times during the day. The last bonus I wanted to talk about, besides the sign-up bonus and then the peak bonus, as well as the bonuses that the Postmates kind of throws out in general throughout the year, is the referral bonus. Now, many people don't talk about the referral bonus, but I believe this is the best way to make money via Postmates. Now, pretty much all you have to do is refer friends, and if they complete those certain amount of deliveries for the sign-up bonus, well, then you get paid an X amount of money, and it mainly depends on the amount of deliveries they have for their sign-up bonus, and that'll pretty much determine the amount that you can get for referrals. For example, if I refer friends in Oklahoma City, I can get paid $150 for referring people in Oklahoma City as long as they complete 105 deliveries. So Oklahoma City, there's definitely a lot of people that are signed up for Postmates, so there's not really a demand for Postmates drivers, but I've had some people out of state in smaller towns sign up, and all they have to really do is complete like 20 deliveries. So there's definitely a lot of potential in referral bonuses. And when referring people out, you're pretty much helping them make more money too, because you're going to get a higher bonus potential. Whereas like if someone just signs up via Postmates, they're not going to get as much as they would have by using someone else's link. So it's really a win-win situation for everybody, but I just wanted to kind of include a brief little snapshot of all the different bonuses, but mainly the sign-up bonus. Because that's where many people are kind of like willing to sign up and to make money and make the move to like sign up for Postmates and start making money and start delivering for Postmates. Now, usually what I've seen is many people just do the sign-up bonus and then kind of like just fall off, which is great, or they might just do it here and there, which is also great. But I also talk about Postmates, the pay, the more in-depth about certain topics in my other videos, which you guys can go watch after. Now that pretty much sums up this video that I talked about. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to message out and reply to you as fastly as possible. And then make sure you guys click the subscribe button below as well as the notification bell. That way you guys can stay updated when I post new videos out onto the channel. And then last but not least, click the like button as well. That way we can send this video out into the YouTube universe and help a lot more people out that are looking for ways to make some extra money on the side, especially going into 2021. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.